2004 6-liter Powerstroke. Came in the shop for crank no start. Starter was burned up. Put a 6.7 starter on it, sprayed a little ether, and it fired right up. Now it's misfiring. Check the power balance where cylinder 2 is bad, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, cylinder 5, and cylinder 6. The other day when we first fired it up, it was just cylinder 2 and cylinder 5. Now it looks like it's starting to lose injectors. So it needs a set of injectors.